Hi YouTubers, back again. I hope all your friends and family are safe and well. We've been to Aldi's today and we picked up a pizza from there. It's a Carlos stone-baked sourdough and mozzarella pizza. So let's go down to the worktop and have a look and see what's involved. So we've got the Carlos sourdough pizza and mozzarella. Same great new look taste, cooks in 12 minutes. The description of the product is topped with a rich tomato sauce, spinach, basil sauce, creamy mozzarella and juicy tomatoes. Now we've got the nutritional content now, so per half a pizza this is based on is 436 calories, 15.5 grams of fat, 7.6 grams of saturates, 5.8 grams of sugar and 1.77 grams of salt. We've got the V for the vegetarian. If you just have a look now, what can we see from the picture? So you can see the basil sauce, the mozzarella, a few red peppers. Let's see what else is on the box. So they've got another description on the back. Our premium Carlos stone-baked pizzas are made with a special slowly prepared dough with a light and airy crust inspired by authentic Italian pizzerias. I very much doubt that. It might be inspired, but we'll see. They are stone-baked, generously topped with a rich tomato sauce, spinach and basil sauce, creamy mozzarella and juicy tomatoes. What else we got? So we've got the cooking instructions there. So oven cook, 200C, 220 electric C, gas mark 7 for 12 minutes. We've got the ingredients there, and we've got the allergens in bold. So we've got wheat, milk, wheat and wheat, which are the allergens. More nutritional information now, if you're interested in that. We've got the freezer information. So it's 1 month or 1 week refrigerated by the looks of it. Recyclable content, the box is recyclable, but the film of the actual pizza is not. And we've got a 355 gram weight to the complete pizza. As you can see, I've treated myself tonight. I'm going to get my lips around this in a minute. Beer Morenti, or Morenti, however you pronounce it. Italian style beer. This is one of my favourite beers at the moment. It's not mega expensive, but it's more expensive than your standard Carlin or Foster's or whatever it is. But let's whack this in the oven and we'll see what it's like. Be back with you soon. So let's take this out of the box and have a look what's inside, if I can get into it. Just get a knife and slice the cellophane off. Yep, so we've got a finish crust with a slight rim to it. Got slices of mozzarella, which my OCD is going to come in now. It's not, it's not level. Try and space it out a bit. So let's go and put this in the oven, and we'll be back with you shortly. So we've got the Carlos stone-baked pizza freshly out the oven. Let's chop it up into sections. Alright, let's go up to the other camera and give it a taste test and see how we fare with it. So we've got a Carlos pizza. We're going to give it a bend test. So we've got not much flop on the pizza, slight bit at the end. Let's give the crust a go. That is bloody hot. Right, the crust. Not getting a great deal of flavour. Could be a bit better with the salt content. We've got, as you can see, got the mozzarella, the peppers, the pesto sauce, which is a basil sauce there. Let's give this a try. Oh, excuse me, that pig. This product was £1.79. Is it more flavourful than a standard everyday Aldi's pizza? No, to be honest. Is it just a gimmick for the sourdough bread? I mean, I've had proper sourdough bread in the restaurant, and sourdough bread's got a lot of flavour. This is not coming across as that flavour. Let's have another try. Excuse me. Is it an awful pizza? No, it's not. But is it better than, say, a 79 or 89p pizza or whatever they are in Aldi's? Flavour wise, no, I wouldn't say so myself. The mozzarella, yeah, I can taste it. I can taste a slight bit of the basil. The trouble with mozzarella is there's a difference. You get buffalo mozzarella, which is the creme of mozzarella, and you get straight mozzarella, which is different. It's not made from buffalo milk. They get away with calling it mozzarella somehow, don't ask me why, go and Google it, but it's not buffalo mozzarella. It's not got a flavour content of proper buffalo mozzarella. Would I buy it again? For the price point, would I choose it over a 89p or whatever, 79p standard cheese pizza? Probably not, to be honest. I try to be honest in these reviews. I mean, there's a lot of reviews out there who go, everything's brilliant, you know, everything tastes fantastic, when in reality it doesn't. I know taste is subjective, everybody's got different tastes, and, you know, each to their own, let's say. Out of 10, I would give it a 6 out of 10. There's not much flavour there. The salt content is not enough in the pizza dough itself. The topping of the pizza is not flavourful enough for my liking. Once again, I think it's a big supermarket's marketing scam. Stick a bit of mozzarella on it, say it's sourdough, and everybody's happy. But when you come to try the actual product, no, it's not cracked up to what it should be. I can't taste none of the pepper flavour in it. It's got a very small amount of peppers. I'm just, when I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to whip a bit of barbecue sauce on a plate, or sriracha sauce, to add a bit of flavour to the product. But no, I wouldn't recommend this one. For the price point, compared to a standard pizza, I wouldn't recommend it. I think it's just a marketing trick. What else can I really say about it? Not a lot, to be honest. It's a bit of a disappointment. I mean, I'm going to eat it, don't get me wrong, but if I had the choice to go and buy it again at the supermarket, Aldi's, I wouldn't buy it again. Hope you all have a lovely evening. Take care, and bye bye.